Hello, and welcome to today's family program. And I'm so happy that you are here with us. And today, as we continue to look into aligning ourselves for success, I want you to be ready because we are actually continuing from where we left off. If you are here for the first time, I would encourage you to invite a friend to also watch this program with you. And also, you can take a time to like this channel and share with other friends. I would also like to inform you that our programs are built one on the other, and presently we are doing a series. So in this series, we are continuing today, and our topic is aligning yourself for success. We have spoken a lot about what success means and how we have to get, things done. We've talked about the fact that nothing drops from the sky, and we all have to make sure we work with the resources that we have, because if we don't, then nothing is going to happen. Today, we are continuing, and I would like to touch on a very important subject that is crucial, that if we don't have it, then anything we do in trying to, get ourselves ready for success, we will not be able to achieve it. I said in the last series that work means we have to take control or take charge or be responsible for something. Work means, management, and we all have to learn how to to manage things, because management itself is what our roles as human beings are on this earth. We have a lot of stuff around us. With trees, we see the sky, we see the sun, we see, plants and everything. As people, we have to make sure that we work the resources that are around us in order to make life comfortable for ourselves. When we are able to manage the climate, we will have less, sicknesses and, things that are not good happening. We need to make sure that we take full charge and we manage the things that are within our confines. Whatever we fail to manage, we will lose. If you are not able to take care of something, per se, you have a plant, you bought this plant, you planted it. If you cease to water it every day, then what is going to happen is that eventually that plant will die, and then you will lose it. So whatever we fail to manage, whatever we fail to take responsibility for, we will lose it. So as you align yourself for success, make sure that you are not just looking at things happening, but you are adding value to things. And we would also have to understand that there is a level of trust and discipline, because if it is a plant that you have to take care of, that means you have to water it, you have to maybe take some dry leaves off it, you have to fertilize, you have to do so many things, and everything should be done at the right time. So we need to make sure that we master the whole issue of management. If you are not able to manage anything, then you are not really good for life. We would have to be doing this management very effectively. And that is why we should understand fully what we are into. You see some people and he says, so I'm a businessman. You ask him, what do you do? He says, so I do everything business, everything buyable, everything sellable and all that. It's so vague, it's so huge, and it does not help you to be like discipline. But you see somebody says, I deal with A, B, C, and D. So you have to make sure that you put things in their shelf and hold as much as your hands can take. Don't try to take more than you can. Otherwise, you will be like the monkey putting his hand in that hole and taking, food, and he cannot push his hand back. So we need to make sure that we are good managers of the resources that are within our reach. The more you are able to manage the things that are within your reach, the more resources you would get. When you are able to manage resources, you will get more resources. You are able to manage something, you will get more of it. So let us not look for just the gain, the money, the fame, the accolades, but look for doing the work effectively. Whatever you don't do effectively, you will not get effective results from it. It is very, very important for you to know. So in life, usually, we are looking for stuff that maybe we feel we can do. But actually, we need to look at things that we can manage. Whatever it is within your power, your ability to manage is what I would say you have to do. Don't try to do things that are not within your ability to take control of. And we need to not forget about the fact that we must be creative, we must have ideas, and we must move towards managing the resources that we have. Always ask yourself, am I managing things well? How is my management level? From 1 to 10, maybe 10 being the best or 1 being the best, whichever scale you want to use. But then you should be able to know where you are on the scale, of from better to worse. It is very, very important. Then you will know what to improve, what not to improve. And we need to make sure that as we manage things, we also have to make sure we give account of whatever we are managing. So don't just be, a manager and without accountability. If there is a possibility to share with others, that is you giving account to them of what you're doing, and then maybe you are actually working together with people, then definitely you will need to also give a kind of feedback for that. Well, this is today's family program, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we will be continuing on this subject the next time we get together. But I want you to know in the meantime that you are here on this planet to manage the resources that are within your confines and make sure that you use that to get empowered and to achieve more. You can align yourself for success. Till we see you again next week. I'm Dr. Albert Kitchen. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and we'll see you in a week. Bye-bye.